It's a great day. I'm Energizer, and this is day 15 on the Appalachian Trail. So let's get to it. Today is another Miles on Trail day. I'm not going to be hitting any towns or anything else like that. It didn't rain last night, which is really good. I stayed at the Laurel Hostel, kind of a no-frills, basic 6 bunks. I slept on the porch with my pad and sleeping bag, but it worked out. But it didn't rain, and so that was really good. But I got a chance to get my sleeping bag dried out and along with my tent. Today, it started off clear, but the clouds are coming in and it is supposed to rain. So, kind of curious how the day is going to unfold. Should be interesting. Look at that. Tennessee welcomes me. Starting to rain. Should be big bald up there. Yeah, the rain came in and dumped really hard for about a half hour, but then it broke apart. All the clouds coming up on Big Bald. This is what I've got. And I got the whole thing to myself. Wow. Right. So I'm sitting here having lunch up at Big Bald, and walks up Emmett, or Quickbeam. He and I started on Springer Mountain the same day, and Just a great young man. And we just keep bumping into each other. So it's been really nice. It has been. You know, he's heading to Uncle Johnny's tonight, and that's about I think 5 or 6 miles more than I think I can do tonight. I'm just hoping to make it to the shelter to get out of the rain that should be coming. But I sure hope he makes it. I think that's Little Ball over there, heading that way. Clouds rolled in. It's raining again. To close out day 15, I arrived at the shelter a little before 8 o'clock. Sure enough, it was full. I don't know why I was thinking it wouldn't be. I'm catching up to the back end of the bubble, and so I'm seeing more hikers. And some hikers, they don't leave camp until 9 a.m., 10 a.m., and they arrive at their next camp, you know, 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm showing up 7:30, 8 o'clock. You know, all the, you know, shelter's full and tent sites are pretty much taken. I got to find what's left. So, I mean, it is what it is, but fortunately it didn't rain last night. It was really nice. So I set up the tent. It was real good, but there's too many people around. Really couldn't record. But yeah, slept great, and it was a great day. It was a real great day. See you tomorrow.